it's time to show you the required tools and the items I'm going to use today to make the Keystone jack. Here I have a Cat6 Ethernet cable. When repairing a termination, you'll be able to see different categories like Cat5 and Cat5e. In general, the process is the same for all of them. A wire cutter or a UTP cable stripper is required to cut the cable. A wire stripper or a UTP cable stripper to remove the jacket of the Ethernet cable. Some Keystone jacks. These ones that I have are standards and required a tool to punch the wires down. Last but not least is the punch down tool for Ethernet cable. Even if you use toolless Keystone, I recommend you to have one with you.